Hello everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Mochaeats. First, I want to say thank you so much for everyone who has subscribed to my channel, and welcome. I see all of my subscribers and I do appreciate you for your support. So today we are making my roasted rosemary and garlic potatoes. So if you want to see how to make these potatoes, stay tuned and keep on watching. So to start, I'm going to preheat my oven to 350 degrees. You can preheat your oven a little bit higher than this if you want them to cook faster, but that's up to you. So to start, I'm going to be using a vegetable peeler, 3 white potatoes, a clove of garlic, half a tablespoon of salt, about a tablespoon of rosemary, and a tablespoon and a half of olive oil. So now I have peeled and chopped my white potatoes and my garlic, and now I'm just going to wash the potatoes. So now I'm going to add my olive oil to my pan just to coat it so that while I'm cooking the potatoes in the oven, they're not excessively sticking to the pan and they're not easily burning. So I think this is a really important step. Some people may not want to use olive oil. They may prefer to use a cooking spray, and that's something you can do as well. I just prefer to use olive oil to base my pan. So now I'm adding my potatoes to my coated pan, and I'm just going to mix everything together. I really want the potatoes to be covered evenly with the olive oil so that when it cooks in the oven, everything is cooking evenly and nothing is burning. Now that everything is evenly coated, I'm just going to add the salt and continue mixing. So now I'm adding the chopped garlic to the potatoes, and I'm going to mix everything evenly again. Last but not least, we're going to be adding the rosemary. Now you can just sprinkle a little bit of the rosemary because a little bit will definitely go a long way. So I wouldn't use the entire tablespoon, maybe about half of a tablespoon, and just mix everything together, because once everything is mixed, you'll get that aroma and that nice seasoned taste once everything is all cooked. Now this is what the potatoes should look like once everything is all mixed and seasoned right before we put it into the oven. Now I'm just going to slide the potatoes in the oven on the bottom rack and let them cook on 350. So this is about 45 minutes of cooking. And you can see that the potatoes are getting nice and brown. They're not quite done yet, so I'm just going to let them brown for about 15 more minutes, and they should be good to go. And here is the finished product. Excuse me while I indulge. potatoes, you can eat them however you like. You can use them as a side dish to your favorite meal. You can eat them alone. I like to put these potatoes in my avocado potato tacos, which I do have a video coming up next week, or you can eat these with ketchup. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful for you. You're able to share these videos with anyone who you think would also find them helpful. Hope you all have an amazing day, and I appreciate all of you. And always remember, the key to clean eating is clean hands.